Have you ever noticed how we suddenly crave warm soup, chocolate, or a bowl of instant noodles when we're sad, tired, or just drained? That's not just you, and it's not just habit either. There's actually science behind this. And today, we're going to talk about why comfort food exists, how our brain responds to it, and why each country has their own version. Let's get into it. Welcome to Narasi Dapper, a channel where we talk about food beyond the plate. So, what even is comfort food? Basically, it's any kind of food that gives us emotional security, something familiar, warm, and easy to eat. For some, it's cheesy pasta. For others, it's porridge, soup, or rice and fried egg. It's not always about hunger, it's about how it makes you feel. Often, it's tied to nostalgia, a memory of childhood, someone we love, or a time when life felt safe. Fun fact, a study published in Time magazine said that just smelling or imagining comfort food can make us feel less lonely. That's the power of food memories. According to Helpfly, emotional eating patterns usually start from childhood and can be influenced by how caregivers responded to our stress. So next time you're curled up with a bowl of ice cream or hot noodles, just know you're not weak, you're human. Comfort food has a real psychological effect on us, but it's good to be mindful too, because while it helps in the short term, it's not always the answer long term. When you're feeling stressed or sad, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol increases your appetite and not for salad. It makes your brain crave quick comfort, and that often means high-carb, high-fat foods. These foods trigger the release of dopamine, also known as the feel-good chemical. According to a 2023 study by the Garvan Institute, stress can even override your brain's full signals, making you eat more than you actually need just to keep that dopamine going. So no, you're not weak. Your brain is literally wired to search for comfort through food. Comfort food looks different in every culture, but the one thing most of them share, they're warm, soft, and familiar. In the US, it's mac and cheese or mashed potatoes. In Japan, miso soup and onigiri. In Philippines, arroz caldo. In Indonesia, mie instan, bubur ayam, or just rice with kikap and telur dadar. In Korea, hot ramen or kimchi stew. In India, dal and rice. It's often the kind of food your parents made when you were sick, or the first dish you ever cooked yourself. Comfort food isn't about fancy, it's about familiar. Now, not everyone eats when they're sad. Some people actually lose their appetite completely, and that's totally normal too. Psychologists say our emotional relationship with food depends on how we were raised. Some of us were comforted with food growing up. Others were taught to suppress emotion or distract themselves. It's not good or bad, just different wiring. According to Helpline, emotional eating patterns usually start from childhood and can be influenced by how caregivers responded to our stress. So next time you're curled up with a bowl of ice cream or hot noodles, just know you're not weak, you're human. Comfort food has a real psychological effect on us, but it's good to be mindful too, because while it helps in the short term, it's not always the answer long term. What's your comfort food, and why do you think it means so much to you? Let me know in the comments. We are Narasi Dapper, and if you love food stories and fun facts like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.